Kicha, I cook, I eat, I'm hungry for more. Welcome to KichaTube, where today we're going to be making yummy and easy curd rice or Thair Sadam. So let's begin. Let's first prepare the rice. Take some rice that has been freshly made. It can't be left over. Then add some milk all around. And mix thoroughly. Next, you add salt to the curd. Oh, my best. And mix. Next, let's add the curd to the rice. The rice has to be well cooked. It has to be completely cooled down before we add the milk and curd. Mix well. There are two advantages to adding milk to the rice. One, it gives correct thickness to the curd rice, and two, it balances the sourness. So with the rice done, let's move on to the cutting. Wait for it to heat up a little. It is heated up. Next, add mustard seeds after the oil is heated. Add urad dal. Add red chili. Add curry leaves. Wow, it smells so good. Add ginger and mix. Add green chili. Wow, I can get the chili smell. I love it. I especially love when my grandmother makes me biryani. Switch it off. Add asafoetida, whatever it is. Mix. Add grated carrot. Let it cool for a few seconds before adding to the curd rice. The tadka has cooled down for a couple of seconds. Now let's add it to the curd rice. Perfect consistency and awesome smell. Let's garnish it with pomegranate, awesome color, right? And the smell and taste will be so good. Smells so good. Our healthy and colorful curd rice is ready. For more yummy videos, please do subscribe and like the video. Bye guys.